of us. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice Mayor, a bona fide Tanhayanon, our kababayan, the Vice Mayor of Dumaguete City, Vice Mayor Maisa Sagar-Barria. Members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Barangay Captains, SK Chairman, all the department heads, my family, the members of the 2024 Fiesta Directorate, the chairman of the different committees, my DepEd family, our schools division superintendent, Dr. Estela Bisus Villa, our 12 Dalagang Tanhayanon, with the proud parents, mga kapamilya, relatives and friends, of course, equally beautiful and elegant, the representatives of the different sectors of, for the first time, we changed the name of Matron Queen to Mrs. Tanhay 2024. Kanatong tanan, mga Tanhayanon, maayong gabi o maayong pista. When you think of Tanhay, you remember with fondness the budbud. You remember the chocolate, the park cafe, our professional kababayan. You remember childhood memories that brings pride of being a Tanhayanon. July is here, and July 1 signals good old memories of Tanhay City as we open our doors for visitors, both from local, national, and international places. We welcome them with the different activities that the Directorate has lined up for all of them. Dayon kamo sa syudad sa Tanhay, diin ang pagsaulog sa pista, ting sadyaa. Welcome and good evening, everyone.